Let's go. Right, if you need Matt, sorry, I had to bring along everybody. You got to hang out with him there. Somebody, that's what I'm saying. Tamika, Tamika, you had like Cincinnati, the weekly. Matt, I got to ask you, someone, okay, someone. Yes, please speak. Okay, Matt, Matt. Wait. Sure. I'm feeling fine. In this. What is it, the mayor? Hey. Mom, Mayor. Come back to me. Mom ain't sure. No senator. It's the owner. Yeah. My office recommend Michael. Well, I appreciate it. So they know I love it when he walks. Of course. So you know. Yeah. Did your staff know? They knew. They do. You kind of can't keep it. Yeah. No, not for them. All right. Cool. This one is yours. He won't peach cobbler. I made the peach cobbler. Well done. Thank you. Get it or powerful. To hang out with your students. You got to even start a competition for that. Don't forget to let me know how good it is. I would love it. Yeah, I think so, yeah. I was trying to see get some What's this? Yeah. That's a beach towel. That's how it starts. You don't learn to play here. You got something like that here. You grew up here? I did. No, I'm from Cleveland. I came out of Cincinnati. I love the city. Yeah, I grew up in Wake Up. Yeah, my wife is our president of the conference. Yeah. Ready? Yeah. Brought in Dick Gregory. Yeah. You don't want to watch the mayor eat. Yeah. Yes. Can somebody? He made this speech. Yes. This is really great. Here's what you please. Started competing in Marvin Cameron from competitions to catering to wrestling. Yes. Quality. Let's do it for. Yeah. So you know. I do so. Particularly with the pandemic. Yeah. I did periodic experience and the experience. We try to maximize. Never pay we can, never touch for it to make sure that like people feel love. And I know it's just a big part of the it's right. So yeah, my job is to look for opportunities to serve our team. So great to serve the people that come in here. We consider ourselves a social enterprise, which means we hire to train people here. It's the more I love on them, give me resources before they get off and they come here. It's lost potential. You get Yeah, his stories. So our main crop are a lot of crazy records, and then these things and that's. My office said we should come here. Just to watch it. Held it. Yeah, held it. Yeah. Well, y'all trying to put me on the ship. Oh, you're trying to get president circle. Oh, that's good. It's not specific. One kid. They want to look into us upon. Right. No, what was it? Sure. Well, that's from the piece complex. The whole shed is really good. Seriously. I said you stopped you about that bridge is a big deal for us. We looked at it. David Morgan. He's down me. We've seen a lot of the president's coming after the so that one of the things I'm saying is saying